no break! I got no break!
Oh, you bugger! You see, when he's home, he's just Harry and things are normal. He raids the fridge and makes a mess, like every other teenage person.
What a team!
He has quite a comedic streak.